everyone. So today I am making instant pot no boil yogurt. And so the first thing I did was I got my Fairlife 2% milk, and next I added 1 tablespoon of Phage yogurt, and I added sweetened condensed milk as a little bit of sweetener because I have 11-year-olds and they probably would prefer it to be a little sweeter. Then I'm going to take my whisk, and once those ingredients are dumped into the pot, I am going to use a whisk and I'm going to stir it up well. So now it's in the Instapot, and I put the yogurt feature on by pushing that button there. It's on normal, and I set it for 8 hours. You can set it for 8 or 9 hours. I chose to do 8. They said the longer you keep it in, the more tart it is. So that's why I went with 8 hours. And then you also do not need to pressure cook it. So you can just put it on venting, which is up here, as opposed to putting it on sealing. And so now we'll wait 8 hours and we'll see what happens. So after the 8 hours were up in the Instapot, I put it straight into the refrigerator, and I put this glass lid on top, and I let it sit overnight in the refrigerator. And now this morning, voila, we have some delicious yogurt. So after it sits in the pot in the refrigerator overnight, you can spoon it into either small mason jars and put a lid on it, or any plastic containers as long as it has a lid. It's a very sweet and smooth yogurt, and it is so quick and easy to make. And if you want, you can either add granola or fruit or almonds, or you can just eat it plain by itself. Either way, it's delicious. Thanks for watching, and I will put the recipe in the comments or in the description down below. Thank you. So here is the finished product, and it made about 8 good servings worth, I would say. So in the fridge, healthy and ready to go. Thanks for watching.